Steel-forged elegance merged with raw industrial urgency defined the 1972 Dodge L1000 Cabover, rare relic of trucking history that dared to maximize interior space while commanding the asphalt with audacious presence. Born when functionality met forward control innovation, this cab-forward design was both utilitarian and audacious, granting enhanced visibility and maneuverability in an age when urban and long-haul efficiency symbiotically matured. It embodied not just transportation, but a bold statement of engineering foresight. And if you honor torque tales and vintage robustness, this is your road home. Join our circle of gear where iron legends pulse through every story and become a member of our community now. Developed as part of Dodge heavy-duty LCF, low cab forward lineage produced until 1976, the L1000 series represented the apex of North American cabover utility. These trucks often wore accessible engine compartments with swinging panels for easier maintenance, a practical hallmark of their era. They offered an array of engine options from sturdy Perkins inline-6 diesels for everyday endurance to potent Cummins and Caterpillar diesels, and even Detroit diesel V8 South for those who demanded greater hauling might. Transmissions ranged from manual gearboxes to multi-speed units, often paired with rear tandem axle configurations to manage gross loads, reaching up to 80,000 pounds, demonstrating both adaptability and unspoken ambition in class-leading capability. Through its lifespan, modifications to the L1000 were evolutionary rather than revolutionary, with enhancements focused on improved suspension tuning, cab ergonomics, and drivetrain resilience. The model evolved in alignment with shifting operator needs, offering everything from day cab setups to sleeper iterations, though the 72 version remained celebrated for its straightforward, rugged simplicity. In today's collector terrain, a restored or gently worn Dodge L1000 Cabover commands attention and values in the vintage truck market. While classic Dodge pickups may average around $30,000 across models, a rare L in commendable condition likely falls within the mid-five-figure range, appreciating with originality and restoration quality. Unlike its contemporary conventional cab rivals, the L1000's enduring allure lies in its compact footprint, mechanical accessibility, and distinctive silhouette, traits that collectors now celebrate as symbols of a vanishing industrial era. Ultimately, the 1972 Dodge L1000 Cabover remains more than a vehicle, is a functional sculpture of ambition, a testament to an age when maximized utility and bold design converged.